Hello, we are Group 3 with members. I am Aaron Manches Dator, Daniel Joff Diaz, Yorni Jordan Alonzo, and Brian Joseph Baluyot. And we will present the Laboratory Activity 6 for the CFPL subject. And the topic for today will be conditional switch statements. Let's proceed with the program number 1. For the program number 1, the first step is to state the compiler's preprocessor to include the IOStream library. Then we will use the standard namespace followed by the main function. Next, we will include the app underscore num, which will be the account number equals 0. And then we will float the following variables. TTL underscore CHG will be the total charges. Beg underscore bal will be the beginning balance. New underscore bal will be the new balance. TTL underscore credits will be the total credits. Credit underscore limit will be the credit limit. And then we will add the program statement stating enter account number -1 to end. And then its character input will be the account number. And then we will add the while identifier, which is account number is not equal to -1. Now we will proceed by adding the program statement and the character inputs for the following variables. Let's start with the beginning balance. We will add the program statement, enter the beginning balance, and then the character input will be the beginning balance. Next will be for the total charges. Enter the total charges, and then the character input is the TTL under CHD or the total charges. And then the next statement will be enter the total credits with the character input total credits. The next statement will be enter credit limit, and the character input will be the credit limit. And now we can proceed to the equation. The equation will be new balance equals beginning balance plus total charges minus total credits. And then we will add the identifier the if statement, which is new balance is greater than the credit limit. Now we will add the program statement inverted /t, which is tab, and then account, followed by the variable account number and then end. The next statement will be for the credit limit, followed by the credit limit and then end. And then the next statement will be for the balance, followed by the variable new balance and then the end. And then the last statement will be credit limit exceeded, and then inverted /n for the new line. And lastly, for the loop, we will add the program statement, again inverted /n, enter account number, -1 to end, and the character input for that will be the variable account number. And finally, we can finish this off with the return statement. Now, as we run the program, you can enter any account number. Let's say we enter 55. The beginning balance will be 10,000. Let's say the total charges that we have is 12. The total credits that we have is 1. And the credit limit that we have is 1. And as you can see for the account 55, with the credit limit of 1, our balance is 10,011. And the credit limit will be exceeded. And then enter account number again for the loop. That's all. To
So,
the analysis and conclusion.
for the analysis, in C++, the switch statement is superior to the lengthy if statements that are used to compare a variable to different integral values. It is a branch statement with multiple options. It also control statement that allows any value to change the execution control. This allows you to route execution to different parts of the code and improves the clarity in C++ programming, which reduces the bulkiness of repetitive coding. It ensures easily compiler optimization and quick execution. For the conclusion, the switch statement compares a statement to a wide variety of possible outcomes. If one of these expressions is true, the program will run the code for that result. If no expressions evaluate to be true, the program will execute the contents of a default statement if one is provided. An expression is checked to see if it matches one of multiple possibilities using the switch statement. If the provided phrase equals to one of the switch block cases, the code will be executed. And that's all. Thank you.